It's great to be on campus for ITI Technical College. You know, we're very proud of our long history. For more than 40 years, we've offered hands-on career education for a better life for our graduates. I'm Steve saying hi to Allison back in the studio. Hey, Allison.
Hi, Steve. I know you're excited to be on campus.
I am, Allison. It's also a great day because ITI Technical College has made Forbes magazine's list of top 30 trade schools. You know, ITI ranks number 24 on the list. We are very excited.
ITI was formed to fit the needs of businesses here in Louisiana and the Gulf Coast region. ITI grads are working in areas of IT, office support, drafting, billing, HVAC, operation, maintenance, and construction. Listen to Trey.
It's unreal, you know, waking up every day, going to work, and then realizing, you know, that this is what I chose to do. I went to school for this. That's really the most rewarding thing, is knowing that I worked so hard to get where I am and I finally get the reward.
At ITI, we help you with the tools you may need for success. Call now 225-590-5855 or online at iticollege.info.